Hey guys, it's Roxanne West from Bourgeois Bliss blog, and today I am sharing an appliance with you guys that I am so excited about. This is called the Almond Cow. Save a cow and milk a plant. So this machine is under $150. It is compostable and it makes you your own almond milk at home. Actually, any nut milk. It's not just almonds. You can make cashew milk, you can make pecan milk, you can make quinoa milk and oat milk. I actually just made some almond oat milk this morning. Today we wanted to get creative and we were inspired by my favorite chocolate, Ferrero Rocher. So that chocolate has hazelnuts, deliciousness chocolate. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a little creative like I said, and we're gonna use half a cup of soaked hazelnuts. And I've got half a cup of macadamia nuts that have been soaking as well. That's where we're going a little bit different here. I have 1 date, and I've got a tablespoon here of cocoa powder. So how this beautiful piece of machinery works, you guys, can you tell I'm super excited? So I don't have it plugged in yet, don't worry. This little dish here is what's gonna help us. So we're gonna take off the sieve, open it like that. Leave this here. I'm gonna sit that in there right now because we're going to pour our hazelnuts in. There we go. And I'm going to pour our macadamia nuts in. Ooh. I'm gonna stick in the 1 date and our tablespoon. There we go. Get this out of the way. See what it looks like there. And what they tell you to do is tip the sieve sideways so that you don't have a problem closing it when you put it together. So you'll put that in sideways like that. Okay. And you're gonna try and align the lines like that. It's closed. Very easy. But before we put it in, I actually have to fill this with water. There's a min and max line in there, and we're gonna fill that with filtered water. So we're just finishing up filling it between the minimum and maximum line right now. And I'm gonna use this to actually put my Ferrero Rocher inspired nut milk in there. So what we do next is we're gonna take this guy right here, stick it in there, and it connects like that. And now we're gonna plug it in. I like to plug it in after I've done all of that, especially when I'm making these recipes with the kids. So you guys can see that cow little picture right there, the little cartoony cow, and the green light, so it's ready to go. All we're gonna do now is push one button. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. Are you guys ready for this? So I'll unplug it first. There we go. I'll take this off like that. So what's great about this is full of pulp from what we've used, and that can be put into a smoothie to add some fiber and to thicken it up. You could dry it out and grind it into a flour. You could use it for hummuses, or you can use it for compost. So I'm gonna transfer this in here. And wait till you see this. I can't even fill it up, I have so much. So there's still another full bottle of this, I'm pretty sure. So I might make myself a coffee and warm this up in our frother because that would be like a delicious chocolate Ferrero Rocher latte. Put the rest of it in here. That's so good. So you could even make a bottle for a friend, drop it off. Okay guys, so that was our recipe to make your own Ferrero Rocher inspired nut milk out of macadamia nuts, hazelnuts, a date, and a little bit of cocoa powder.